It's accessibility, the fact that it can go pretty much anywhere. Take those loads of dirt where other things can't go.
Everybody should have one of these that's in construction. And it worked good.
Today, we're talking dumpers. Wacker Neuson offers a line of permanent four-wheel drive dumpers, perfect for when you need more capacity than a skid steer or better accessibility than a dump truck. We'll show you what makes a Wacker Neuson dumper the ultimate material mover, the 1501, getting you and your material into those tight spaces. The 3001, the flagship dumper that is the perfect balance of size and capacity. The 5001, the largest dumper in the range for maximum capacity. Wacker Neuson dumpers are great for dirt, gravel, and even concrete.
We moved, 350 yards of blast rock in a day.
With up to 5 metric tons of capacity and our 180-degree swivel bucket, we can get your material where it needs to go fast and in one trip, as opposed to several trips with a skid steer, saving you time and money.
You can put a lot of material in them, almost as much as like a 3 to 5 ton dump truck rental.
It's easy to operate, easy to see, and easy on the turf.
It handles the terrain pretty well. The turf tires on it, and you can go right across the course. You don't have to go around.
You can see all the way around you. Dumping's pretty easy. Once you get it up, you can see that the whole thing in front of you and everything.
Just kind of bounces over the grass and leaves the grass there.
It's pretty stable. You don't ever feel like it's gonna tip over.
They take a thumping and keep on dumping.
I couldn't believe what it climbed up. They impress me every time I get in this thing.
Quite a reliable machine, and it can take a bit of a beating, I know that.
You can't beat this machine for what it does.
If you can't get there in a Wacker Neuson dumper, you really didn't need to go there in the first place.
You can load this thing up, drive, and dump 90 degrees. Yeah, it's just a very versatile, earth-moving piece of equipment.
This thing needs almost no room to get in, dump, and get out.
You can walk down your ditch and shake your rocky in your ditch.
I mean, if I can't get somewhere straight in, I can use the swivel to get in there.
The normal pathways and smaller walk paths are only about 8 feet wide max. You get any sort of dump truck, they cannot stay in that path. And that's what really makes these more efficient.
With their articulated steering, 4-wheel hydrostatic drive, and high ground clearance, Wacker Neuson dumpers are at the top of the class for delivering heavy loads over rough terrain.
This is the handiest little thing on the construction site right now.
Definitely something that comes in to use a lot on a site.
It tends to be when it's on a job, it just is used all the time.
And this is something that gets used every single day, like 8 hours a day.
Boy, it's been the best machine we've purchased in a long time.
We've really put it through its paces on difficult terrain and rough terrain, loading blast rock into it with the large excavator.
It stood up to everything that we threw at it.
When we first got it, it was amazing. And my guys love the machine. I speak highly of it. Demo it, try it, and you'll like the machine as much as we do. I've tried different products, and right now, for if you're moving any material on and off a site, this is the machine for you.
That's it for this episode. We'll see you next time on Wacker Neuson's Compact Chronicles. To schedule a demo, visit us online at www.testdrive-wn.com today.